Okay, today we're going to look at ECS with X-Ray. So, to use ECS with X-Ray, we obviously want to be able to output a large amount, potentially, of tracing data. And tracing data can happen quite frequently, and we don't want to impact the application. So the way in which we do that is we have an X-Ray container that sits as a sidecar to our main app container. And so our app container using the SDK can send UDP packets to this X-Ray daemon container, which will then buffer them and send them on to X-Ray. The idea being that we then have essentially no performance impact on the application because we're sending UDP packets. If for whatever reason there's a problem with the daemon container, it doesn't matter because UDP packets don't need to be acknowledged. We don't need to establish a connection. We just send them, and if they get there, they get there, and if they don't, they don't. So that's a really good pattern. It's the standard pattern that AWS would recommend. And yeah, as I say, the daemon container then buffers and sends on to the X-Ray service. We obviously need to make sure that there's appropriate permissions because the sidecar container runs within the same task definition. We need to have the task permissions appropriately set so that the daemon container can send those that tracing data onto the X-Ray service. Here are some notes on all that. Until next time, enjoy the cloud.